Hi, this is a GMAT question from gmatquestions.org. Three college classes were given the same final exam. The average arithmetic mean scores for the three classes were 76, 87, and 84, respectively. The ratio of the numbers of students in each class who took the test was 6 to 4 to 2, respectively. What was the average score for the three classes combined? We have here a weighted average question. It's not a regular average where you just add the numbers, the values involved, and divide by the number of values. What we are told here is that if you have 76, 87, and then 84, then the corresponding ratio to 76 is 6, the corresponding ratio to 87 is 4, and 2. Okay, so what we're gonna do is not just to write, as I said earlier, 76 plus 87 plus 84, but we're gonna have to multiply 76 by 6 plus 87 by 4 plus 84 times 2 and divide by the sum of the ratio. Basically 6 plus 4 is 10, 12. 12 gonna be the total ratio here. Okay, so remember that because we are dealing with a weighted average, and these are the weight. 6 is a weight if you want, 4 and 2. So average score gonna be equal to, let me go to the next line. So it's gonna be 6, the weight, times 76 plus 4 times 87 plus 2 times 84, and this whole thing divided by 6 plus 4 plus 2, and this is going to be equal to, now let's write this, let's at least gonna write this faster. Now on the GMAT I would not be writing 6 plus 4 plus 2. I'm doing it for you guys to understand. I would have written 12. It would have saved me one step. Okay, I'm doing this merely for pedagogical reasons. Okay, great. Now we have to find out what is the best way to calculate this. I know that many of you are going to multiply 6 by 76, 4 by 87, 2 by 84, and add them and then divide by 12. Personally, I don't find that to be efficient. Once you get to those big numbers, dividing by 12 is not as straightforward as you would think. Some of you may do it well, some of you are going to struggle with that. So what I like to do is to simplify this thing before it gets big. How to do that? Very simple. We know that this number is going to be divisible by 12. If you look at the answer choices, we don't have a decimal. So this number on top is going to be divisible by 12, going to be a multiple of 12. So I like to find out, to extract 12 from each of these numbers and simplify the 12. You have a 6 here. In order to get a 12, you need another 2. So let me actually change the color here. So we're going to take the 6 here, and we're going to also 76. We're going to extract a 2 from 76. We're going to be left with 38. Okay? And I'm going to take out the 12. Not quite yet, but this 12 is going to be gone, obviously. And we have 4 here, and we need a 3. 4 times 3 is 12. We need a 3 from 87. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 87 is divisible by 3 because the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Okay, that's the number property, number property concept, divisibility rules. But anyway, know that we have a 3 here, and 87 divided by 3, if you think about it, is 29. It's 7. 29 times 3 is 20 times 3 is 60. 9 times 3 is 27, and you add them, you get 87. So it's 29. So I'm gonna take out this and put 29. Finally, here you have a 2. We need another 6 to get to 12. So we have to extract 6 from 84. When you divide 84 by 6, I believe it's 14. Okay, 14. This is easier to deal with because these numbers are not that big. So really, it is important to do what I'm doing because you're gonna find your life much easier. So we can we can eliminate the 12 now. Okay, so you are left with 38 plus 29 plus 14. If you want, we can do that here on the right side. I know you can do it, but if you wanna do it together, we can do so. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. 1, carry 2. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 81. So this whole thing is 81. And we are done. We are done. Okay, if you had done it a different way by calculating this whole thing and divide by 12, I really believe it would have been more complex to deal with. So remember to simplify before they get ugly. Okay, because really sometimes you are left with this huge number to divide by a double digit number, and it slows down the whole process. So learn how to do what I just did. The correct answer is D. D is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. This is a GMAT question from gmatquestions.org.